303 Massachusetts. Good morning, London. 303 Massachusetts.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm out in the park. I thought I'd come for a little walk and bring the IC705 with me, the Icon all-mode radio, and thought I'd have a little walk, stick the 27 megahertz telescopic on here and see what was about on like 11 meters and 10 meters, basically CB band and the 10 meter handbag. Because at the moment the conditions on 10 and 11 meters are absolutely exceptional. I mean, they're probably good everywhere actually, but I've mainly been focused on 10 and 11 meters because that's where my heart is really. But yeah, stations coming in all over the place. We've got American stations just left, right and centre popping up. It is really exceptional, but the ham bands are pretty much dead. There's hardly any stations on there at all, whilst the CB band is absolutely booming with activity.
CTU stateside 5.
It's my mate Chris.
London calling.
Hey, we're just trying to say good morning. Good morning, 588 London. 303
I think that was him replying.
Yeah, who was in Massachusetts? Go again. Who was coming back to 588, the Massachusetts? I didn't get your number.
It's a big number.
357 Southern Indiana. 357
357, I think.
Way to go up, depending on what.
I think it was 357. Thank you very much, my friend. Anybody else out there got a copy on 588 London?
Oh,
74 Virginia. Yeah, got you, no problem. You're almost on the plus 20 there, Virginia.
Around 357.
I appreciate it, man. Sounds good as stuff. Take care. 25 copy on this one for sure. 73 of 17 Virginia sound all right.
Thank you very much, 17 Virginia.
Excellent.
From 588 London. 73 is my friend. You have a good day.
How awesome is that?
Take care. Put it on you a little bit later on. 017, we off and clear on your final.
Yeah, well, for a barefoot radio and a bit of wire, you sound like you're down the road, my friend. Okay, no worries. 73's from 588 London.
588, 17, so quiet.
303 Massachusetts, 953 London.
953 London, my friend. Good morning. How are you? Roger. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here, by the way, you sound really good. I got a couple of things to do in the shack here. I just want to know if this radio is working. 303, Massachusetts.
Oh, no problem there, 303. 9 plus 20 in the voice station in London there. QSL?
Well, thank you very much. I think you're doing about the same thing here. What's your numbers again, real quick, so I can throw them in my logbook?
Yeah, it's Jolly Roger 953. Personal Dave, Delta Alpha Victor Echo. QSL?
All right. 953 Dave. All right, listen, it's getting kind of busy. It's getting kind of busy. I appreciate talking to you, my friend. 953 Dave out there in London. You have yourself a fine day. God bless. 303 Massachusetts, the weakest.
You got the ringmaster in Rhode Island, USA.
Coming in thick and fast. I mean, this is actually pretty entertaining. There's nothing happening on 10 meter amateur band at all. So look, it's just loads of noise. I mean, actually, granted, some of that is coming from the display, which it's kind of mad that the display doesn't interfere with 27 megahertz, but it does 28. Kind of backward, that, isn't it? But yeah, there is a station on here somewhere. I think I just saw it come up on the waterfall there. But it's just Europeans, it's not as interesting as the American stations. Meanwhile, it's absolute pile up on here.
I've got a 55 out there somewhere. There was a 55 coming back.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you're talking to me or somebody. Yeah, I know what frequency you're talking on to.
Here he comes.
Whiskey 1, we got you. 588 London, no problem.
Golly there, London. You figured it out into the oblivion there. Navigation's just not quite here yet. Top of the afternoon. Whiskey 1.
Yeah, thank you very much, Whiskey 1. You got a bit trodden on, but I got most of that. You have a great afternoon too. We say 73s.
72, he's good. I believe the more elements you have, the further.
Yeah, the station calling 3060. Operator is Mick, Mike India Charlie Kilo. Location's about 30 miles north of London, over.
Stations up to the 429 Indiana. We're listening 506 Central Wisconsin. Steady back.
We got you there, 429 Indiana. Good morning, 953 London.
I'm literally just walking home. And we've got American stations just booming in. When was the last time that happened? I cannot remember. Look at this, I haven't even got an aerial. Absolutely crazy that, isn't it? Now, I can appreciate to the untrained ear that probably sounds absolutely terrible. So there's lots of stations coming in, it just sounds like a big mishmash, and it's really hard to pick out different voices from all of that noise. It's part of the charm of it though, I think. And actually this is the only place you will actually hear this kind of chaos with this amount of activity when the band opens, because as I say, the 10-metre handband, that was just completely dead. It has been busy over the weekend. I was listening over the weekend. It was very busy, but what I was hearing was lots of contests and not really any exchanges or any personality. It's literally just ham radio operators trying to get a contact and then moving on to the next one. So like it's a quick call sign exchange, signal report exchange, and then moving on, which is fine, but actually this is far more interesting to listen to. And right now the conditions are so good that literally that guy was using a piece of wire. I believe that he probably was as well. He might have been putting about 2 kilowatts for it. but yeah, when it's like this, you really don't need much of an antenna to hear all of this activity. If you want to have a listen, any sort of shortwave receiver that's got sideband capability will allow you to listen to this. Anyway, if you were watching the videos last year, you'll probably remember all the flack I got from a certain group of sad hands that kind of started giving me a load of flack for modifying my ICOM 705. Oh, it's a really expensive radio, modifying it to go on the CB bands is sacrilege, all of that crap. Whilst on the other side of the fence, the legitimate operators, probably some of the ones that actually complained, aren't even on the blimmin' radio. So what does that tell you? Anyway, I try not to take things too seriously, including myself, but I do get dragged into these things sometimes, unavoidably. Remember guys, it's just a hobby. Catch you next time.